Welcome to the YouTube channel of United in Dwarka. We are playing last league match of Mad for Cricket Season 1 tournament, and this is a must-win match for us. There is slight change in the opening pair. Sunil Rawat is opening today with Ajay Kumar. First ball of the match, Naveen G is bowling today, opening the bowling attack for Mighty Bulls Gurgaon. Second ball of the inning to Sunil Rawat, straight to point fielder, no run. Third ball of the over to Sunil Rawat, straight to covers fielder, and there is a misfield, single taken. Fourth ball of the over to Ajay Kumar, and white ball. Fourth ball continuing to Ajay Kumar, and there is well played towards the mid wicket for a single. Sunil Rawat will be facing the fourth delivery, and this is a nice shot again in the point area for a single. Last ball of the over to Ajay Kumar, again nice flick towards the square leg. Lucky he didn't get out. Wanted a single, Sunil Rawat sent him back, no run. Amit Bhardwaj is starting the second over, starts with a wide and boundary. 5 welcome runs for United in Dwarka, 1 over 9 runs. He'll be bowling first to ball, again wide towards the leg side. 1 over 10 runs. Again the first ball to Sunil Rawat, and this is nice shot, good punch by Sunil Rawat in the square leg and mid wicket area for a boundary. Second ball from Amit to Sunil Rawat, again this is a good ball, and this is good running also between the wickets by Ajay Kumar. 1 run taken. Third ball of the over to Ajay Kumar, and this is given out leg before. Fourth ball of the over to Rajbir. This is very nice ball coming inside into the pads. Difficult to play for Rajbir. No run. Fifth ball of the over. Again nice ball. Straight to fielder. No run. Fifth ball of the over. Misfield by keeper and a boundary. By signaled by the umpire. First, this is nice ball straight to third man fielder, short third man fielder. It was a wide. There was no need to hit that ball. Could have been risky. Single taken. This is should be no ball. There was a great height straight to deep square leg fielder for a single. Third ball of the over to Sunil Rawat, and this is again a nice shot, nice flick for a boundary in the square leg area. Second boundary for Sunil Rawat, and fourth boundary for United in Dwarka. Fourth ball of the over, Naveen G to Sunil Rawat, and no run. Fifth ball to Sunil Rawat. This is nice ball, but straight to fielder, no run. Last ball of the over from Naveen Kumar to Sunil Rawat, and again no run. 25 runs after 3 overs. Yash Anand, the third bowler introduced, starting with spin. Nice ball, straight to fielder, straight to bowler, no run. Second ball, and this is on the pads. There was appeal for leg before. 2 runs taken. Very nice running between the wickets.
Good running.
Third ball of the over, pitching leg side and single taken. Fourth ball to Sunil Rawat, and nice ball. Fourth ball of the over to Sunil Rawat, and should be white. Fourth ball again straight to fielder, no run. Last ball of the over, very good over so far, and this is picked up early by Sunil Rawat. It was full toss delivery sent for a boundary in the cow's corner area. Naveen J started the over of the third over from Naveen Kumar, and towards the leg side. There was appeal for leg before, rejected by umpire. Single taken. Third ball of the over, and again on the leg side, there was nice attempt for the fielding, but single taken. Fourth ball of the over to Rajbir, and this is picked up nicely for a boundary. First boundary for Rajbir and sixth boundary for United Dwarka. Fifth ball of the over to Rajbir, again a full toss, missed it by inches and no run. Last ball of the over to Rajbir, and this is nicely picked up for a single. 40 runs after 5 overs. New bowler introduced. Sorry, the same bowler continuing. Yash Anand. Very nice bowling. Very good leg spinner indeed. Left arm bowler. Second ball sent for a boundary by Rajbir. This time no mercy. Second boundary for Rajbir and seventh boundary for United and Dwarka. Third ball and single taken. Fifth ball of the over, and there was thick edge. Lucky didn't hit the stumps. 46 runs after 5.5 overs. Last ball of the over, and again a thick edge, again a single. 47 runs after 6 overs for the loss of 1 wicket. Second Navin starting the over now. First ball straight to short third fielder, no run. This is nice shot, straight to long off fielder for a single. Third ball to Sunil Rawat, and this is nice shot, this time in the long on area for a single. Fourth ball to Rajbir, and this is straight shot, again long off, again single. Fifth ball to Sunil Rawat, and this is thick edge and should be a boundary. Yes, it's a boundary. Fourth boundary for Sunil Rawat, eighth boundary for United and Dwarka. Last ball of the over to Sunil Rawat. This is nicely picked and should be 6. No, again a boundary in the mid wicket area. Nice shot by Sunil Rawat. There was no ball in the previous delivery, so one more ball, and this is wide ball. 60 runs after 5.5 overs. Last ball, and nice ball, good ball. 7 overs, 60 runs. This should be wide. No. Shivam Arora.
मेरा बैटिंग ऑर्डर अप होगा ना तो मैं
Second ball of the over to Rajbir, and it was coming inside. Lucky it didn't hit the stumps. And this is nicely picked by Rajbir for a single in the final area. And this was a wide delivery, but nicely picked up by Sunil Rawat in the deep final area for a boundary. Fifth boundary for Rawat. Fifth ball of the over to Sunil Rawat, missed it. Last ball of the over to Sunil Rawat, again picked up. No, this is a single, straight to fielder. 66 runs after 8 overs. Naveen, second Naveen starting his second over. Nice delivery, no run. And this is nicely picked up by Sunil Rawat in the long off area for a single. Third ball of the over, straight to bowler. No, there is a misfield and long on area. Again a single. Fourth ball of the over. This is wide and no fielder is there. Lucky Sunil Rawat. There was a great chance of caught out. Last ball of the over, fifth ball of the over, straight to bowler, no run. Last ball this time, straight to square, deep covers boundary. Yes, there is a misfield by the fielder and it's a boundary. 73 runs after 9 overs for the loss of 1 wicket. 10th over, this is straight to Naveen Kumar in the short third man area and out. Second ball of the over to Rinku Sharma and out. No run. Third ball of the over, and this is wide and a boundary. Welcome boundary for team United and Dwarka. 5 runs coming up of that ball. Third ball continuing from Shivam Arora, and this is nice delivery. No run. Fourth ball of the over to Rinku Sharma and straight to fielder at D point for a single. Fifth ball of the over to Rajbir Singh, and this is nicely picked but straight to long on fielder. Rinku Sharma is asking for two. He will complete the 2 runs. Nice running between the wickets. Last ball of the over from Shivam Arora to Rajbir, and again a wide and single taken. 2 welcome runs, 2 extra welcome runs for the team United in Dwarka. 83 runs after 9.5 overs. Last ball continuing for Rinku Sharma, and this is a nice shot, nice punch in the deep extra covers area for a single. 10 overs completed, 84 runs on board after 10 overs for the loss of 2 wickets. Vivek Oja starting 11th over, the captain, no run. Second ball and good ball, no run. Third ball of the over to Rinku Sharma, nice delivery, no run. Fourth ball of the over to Rinku Sharma, straight to fielder, straight to bowler, no run. Fifth ball to Rinku Sharma, and this is nicely picked, but there is a fielder there. No, 6. It's a 6. First 6 of the inning. First 6 for Rinku Sharma. 90 runs after 10.5 overs. Last ball of the over, again this is white. Last ball of the over to Rinku Sharma, and played again for a 6. Oh, it's a boundary just short of 6. Nice boundary by Rinku Sharma. No run in first 4 deliveries and 11 runs in last 2 deliveries. 95 runs after 11 overs for the loss of 2 wickets. Pawan Raheja, the next bowler. Rajbir will be facing, and very nice ball to start with, right into the block hole, no run. Second delivery of the over, and white. Second ball of the over, and this is a nice shot straight to long off fielder. There is a call for 2 runs, no. Third ball of the over to Rinku Sharma, nice ball, no run. Fourth ball of the over to Rinku Sharma, and no run. Fifth ball of the over to Rinku Sharma, again no run. Last ball of the over to Rinku Sharma, and this is straight down the ground in the longer area for a single. 98 runs after 12 overs. Oja continuing his second over, and this is white. We'll start with white and plus a single, 2 extra runs, welcome runs for the team United in Dwarka. With this 100 run up in 12 overs. The single this is now it is 100. This is nice shot and nice fielding as well. Given out. Third ball of the over to Rajbir, no run. Third ball of the over, fourth ball of the over, straight to covers fielder and single taken. Fifth ball of the over to Manoj, and no run. Last ball of the over to Manoj, and straight to bowler, no run. Next bowler, this is nice shot and should be boundary, just short of 6. Nice boundary for Rajbir and for United in Dwarka. 105 runs after 13.1 overs. And this should be white. Yes. Second ball of the over, and again a nice shot. This should again be a boundary. Yes, this time in the mid wicket area. Second consecutive boundary of the over for Rajbir. 110 runs after 13.2 overs. 13.3 overs, 110 runs, no runs. Fourth ball of the over to Rajbir, and again a good ball, no run. Fifth ball of the over to Rajbir Singh, and punched. This is maybe third boundary of the over. No, just no, nice and between the wicket. 2 runs completed with ease. Manoj getting retired hurt. Last ball of the over to Rajveer Singh, and again a good shot straight to long on boundary for a single. Amit Bhardwaj continuing his second over and nice delivery. Second ball of the over and nicely punched straight to fielder, no run. Third ball of the over, Rajveer, and straight to keeper, no run. And this is nice flick but straight to fielder, no run. Fifth ball and straight to deep extra cover fielder, and there's a nice run between the wicket by Siddharth Batla. 2 runs completed with ease. Last ball of the over and dot ball, no run. Vivek Oja continuing his third over, starts with a single. Nice running this time for a single by Rajveer. Third ball of the over to Batla and straight to fielder, should be single. Yes, there is a misfield and players are coming for the second run. Will complete. Yes. Good bowling, straight to keeper, no run. This is bold. Nice bowling this time by Vivek Oja, getting the very good batsman bowled out. Next batsman Himanshu. Fifth ball of the over, Vivek Oja to Himanshu, and nice single, nice run between the wicket. Last ball of the over, and this is nicely punched shot in the Cows corner area for a boundary. Rajveer has moved to 42 runs. United 11 Dwarka at 124 runs for the loss of 4 wickets. Amit Bhardwaj continuing his third over, and this is bold.
Amit Bhardwaj is bowling. Amit Bhardwaj is bowling to Viraj. Oh, Mahesh. Mahesh has got a stump. Now Varun is on strike, the new batsman. Oh, beautiful shot. Beautiful shot by Varun. Amit Bhardwaj is bowling. Oh, oh. Beautiful shot by Rajveer. Went for 6. Now Rajveer has moved to 48 runs in 46 balls. That's a straight. And he went for
बाउंड्री होगी
square
होगी
leg.
बता दी मैंने मैं बता दूंगा छक्का आ गया
Another shot, another
छक्का
big
भाई
shot.
6
It's a
4 है चल 4
another 4 by Varun. Current run rate is 8.02. Oh,
चौका 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 चौका
now Varun taken 2 runs. Vivek Oja is starting a new over. Rajveer tried to cut
उसको फेस करा दे
towards
इधर से
point boundary but could not connect it. Oh, he went for a swipe but just could not connect it and got bowled. Viraj is on strike. White ball. Viraj is on strike. Another white by Vivek Oja. Score moves 147 for 7. Now Varun is on strike, facing Shivam Arora.
मेरे साथ होली 2-3 बार ऐसे ही।
Varun went for single.
भाग जा 2-3 भाग जा।
Double.
वही मारेगा एक और रहेगा। आजा।
Shivam Arora bowling to Viraj.
बहुत बढ़िया आला। 2 इंगे।
Drive.
बॉडी ला। तीसरा ले लियो। छोड़ दिया। भाग जा।
He went for double. Third.
भाग जा।
Oh,
भाग जा।
three.
भाग जा।
Oh,
भाग जा।
4 runs. Beautiful.
दो।
shot, straight drive
ढीला
towards
है।
one
भाग
boundary.
जा।
And they are running for 2.
बहुत बढ़िया।
Very well running. Really well running. United Lane Dwarka score is now 155 for 7. Just 2 balls
मजा आता है
remaining.
इसके साथ भागने में, विराज के साथ। चौका चल।
Oh,
आगे विनिंग रन है, विनिंग
towards
रन।
point. Shivam tried to mark and lead.
इस बॉलर को यूज नहीं किया अपने पेसर को, जबकि ओवर इन्हें इसको
Varun, beautiful shot towards the mid wicket, and they are going for 2 runs. Completed 2 runs, and after 20 overs, United Lane Dwarka score is 161 for 7.
162 ना